Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020, and yesterday we had a giant rally in the markets, most of it coming from the actual gap. The gap up yesterday was about 80 points, and then we put in another 40 points of range, closing just above the midpoint of the session. So it was quite a strong move from Friday's close to Monday's close. And what I want to do today is look at what happens after the largest close-to-close rally in the past 20 days. So that was certainly true based off of yesterday's price action. And this morning we're opening pretty flat. It doesn't necessarily look like there's going to be a major gap as of now. So I'm going to look at this in the context of opening within the prior day range. So let me go ahead and set this up. ES, NASDAQ, YM, Russell, we've got them all loaded here. The entry is going to be at the open of regular trading hours, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. The opening area we're using is opening within the prior day range. And then I'm going to add this price pattern here in the unique move section, day after the largest rally in 20 days. And I'm not going to include a moving average on this one because I looked at it above the 200-day moving average and below the 200-day moving average. And what stood out to me wasn't really changing. So let me run these results and show you. All right, so here are the results. And again, this pattern is opening within the prior day range after the largest close-to-close rally in the past 20 days. And you can see here the win rates are hanging around 50%, maybe just a little bit weaker in some of these than 50%, but really not a strong directional bias showing up as far as the win rate goes for going long off the open. But what stood out to me the most was when I was looking at this earlier in different market environments, above 200, below a 200, that sort of stuff, the average loss was coming in larger in pretty much any way I would examine it. The average loss was coming in larger than the average win. So this pattern did not really show me a directional edge, but what it was implying to me was when it's wrong, it's got the potential to be substantially more wrong than when it's right. So there's something to be aware of. Hope you found that interesting. Good luck, and we will see you next time.